Hey guys! Well, today was the day I got my first YouTube payment, and I wanted to tell everybody a big heartfelt thank you. Thanks for watching, subscribing, sharing my videos. It means the world to me that somebody out there actually wants to see what I'm up to, even if we're just all making fun of you-know-who. I've been inspired by some of the bigger channels like Gary Unfiltered and Mary Cab MC to donate a portion of my first check. Now, if you follow me on Twitter, you know that my first payment was $129. That may not seem like a lot, and it really doesn't go very far at the grocery store, but I thought I'd like to make my impact by donating food to a local food pantry. In addition to showing you what I got, I also wanted to share some tips with you in case donating to a food bank is somewhere on your list of things to do as well. Birthday cake kits are a cool idea that I read about recently. You start with a multi-pack of disposable foil pans, the kind that you would bake a cake in, like the 9x13 ones with the clear plastic lids. After that, you add cake mix, 1 box per pan, any flavor you'd like. I used French vanilla and red velvet. I still need to get the frosting, but you get where we're going with this. You also want to add a package of birthday candles, a birthday card, some birthday napkins, whatever you can find. You can even add a can of soda to be used instead of eggs and oil, just in case. Now, I don't know about you, but I think corned beef hash and cheese grits makes a delicious weekend breakfast. I got these on sale for 2 for $5. When it comes to donations, most people give cheaper items like rice, beans, pasta, even jarred marinara sauce. So I wanted to sort of think outside the box and get more proteins. Yes, tuna is cheap, but you can make a really good meal out of it if you try. After the tuna, the last protein I got was chicken. I've never had canned chicken before, but I assume it's pretty versatile. I could not get over how expensive everything was, you guys. Oh wait, I got some PB&J too. The food banks are always asking for PB&J for quick school lunches. I'm actually kind of ashamed to admit that I don't really check and see how much everything costs when I go to the grocery store. I just buy stuff and stick it in the cart. I still need to go back out and get some frosting to add to the cake kits, as well as some inexpensive birthday cards. But this looks like it's going to be it. I'd really like to reiterate my thanks to all of you for watching and subscribing and just being there for me in general. What started out as a smart-ass way to prove you-know-who wrong ended up being a really cool new hobby. I'm really enjoying this, and I hope you are too. Drop me a line if you have any other cool video ideas. I'd love to hear from you, and thanks again.